Hi, our Blackboard course is now open and live, and I just want to give you a quick tour. I'm sure you could figure it all out on your own, but some students like this. So when you open it up, you'll be at our announcements page. Right this second, there are no announcements. By the time you look at it, there will be. This section, syllabus and more. So my syllabus isn't quite ready yet, but when it is, it'll appear here. Here's some guidelines for writing problems up well. Here's a sample problem right up. And here's a campus map should it be useful at some point. Here's the most important section that you'll be spending your time in to do each week. So to do for August 22nd. And here I tell you exactly what you're going to be doing for August 22nd, and here it all is. So this is a link to a video. You're going to do this problem first and then click here to watch the video. This links to a little online quiz related to the problem above, which you'll do. Here's another video for a different problem. And here's a sample gateway and sample key, and all of that is explained in the to do each section up here at the top. So it'll tell you exactly what you're going to do with each one of these. It's a lot to do for the first night of class. Here's our discussion board, and you're going to post an introduction for August 22nd. This is a graded assignment. It's just graded on the basis of whether you do it or not. Here's a section called Gateway Exams, and the percent is actually not a gateway for you this semester, but I'm leaving these things in here anyway because you'll still be working on these problems. And we'll talk more about what the gateway exams are on the first night of class. And then this section has quizzes and exams from previous semesters, some of them with answers, some without. Probably I wouldn't, if I were you, I wouldn't look back further than spring of 2017. I'm not sure the older ones are all that relevant to you, although you might find them interesting. One more thing I wanted to show you is, let's go back to our gateway exams. So when you do online homework, the icon looks like this, and this is what's happened. So this is called percent practice. So I click on it, and I begin. And the first question it asks me is, what is 26% of 3,953? And I'm just going to put in a wrong answer, 1,000. And then 25 is what percent of 270? And it asks to one decimal place. So to one decimal place is 9%. So I just enter, 9.3% actually. So I enter 9.3. And now I'm not going to do the others. I just want to show you what happens. I save and submit, and I say that's okay, I don't care about those. Now, when you've submitted a homework assignment, when you click OK, it will tell me that I got 0 out of 1 points for this one, that I answered 1,000, and it was wrong. It told me I got 1 out of 1 points for this one, which means that my answer of 9.3 was right. So when you submit homework, it will tell you which ones you got right and which ones you got wrong. And you can resubmit homework as many times as you like, unlimited times, up until the due date. So if you didn't get a perfect score on the homework, you can go back and redo it. Now, unfortunately, when you redo it, it doesn't keep track of your old answers, and you just have to fill them all in again. So it'll be up to you to know which ones you got right and copy those answers in. And that's about all you need to see on our website. And as always, for the whole semester, if you have questions about anything, just send me an email. I look forward to working with you.